Why do transformations fail? At Product Growth Leaders, we have a unique approach to solving product team challenges. Our goal is to help teams achieve product success on purpose. Here are some common challenges for product teams. Product professionals and product teams often find themselves in some form of chaos with too many projects, too many people, too many meetings, and too much work in progress. They lack knowledge about what is or is not their role, a common language and a set of tools and templates, skills in key areas, due in part to differences in levels of experience and training that allows them to apply what they've learned to their work, simple, consistent, and repeatable processes, and internal support to do more strategic, market-focused work in a product-led environment. These are all areas where product growth leaders can provide guidance and solutions. Ultimately, our goal in product management is to turn good ideas into successful products systematically. Like Maslow's hierarchy of needs, basic needs must be satisfied before focusing on desires and wants. To move away from anarchy or chaos, begin with a common language, clear roles and responsibilities, a standard playbook to achieve strategic alignment. Without these in place, product strategy and planning is chaos. And let me show you what I mean. Product management has skills gaps that are a serious problem. In a 2021 survey, product growth leaders found significant gaps between importance and in skills. In these 5 areas, there were negative gaps in fundamentals, business strategy, project management, technical skills, and soft skills. In particular, 2 disturbing gaps. 86% of product leaders rate product management fundamentals important, but rated their team's command at only 41%. Business and strategy skills were important to 91% of product leaders, but they rated their team's command in this area as only 32%, a gap of 59%. Furthermore, only 30% of employees report they have the mastery of the skills needed to do their jobs. Only 25% believe that the training they've received has improved their performance. And only 12% can apply new skills learned in these training programs to their jobs. Simply put, training investments are being wasted. Something must change. And here's the main reason training fails. 75% of what is learned is forgotten if not applied within 6 days. In short, if you don't use it, you lose it. And that's why lecture-based data dumps don't work. The mind simply cannot hold all that information, and it's forgotten before it can be used. There is a better way. Our programs ensure time to absorb the concepts, discuss what's being learned, and apply what was learned each week. Each interactive session includes breakouts and discussions. We extend the lesson with a ready-to-use template for your playbook, and each student applies the concept to your products with a homework assignment. Coach-led peer reviews ensure the concept or deliverable is ready to use in your organization. And how often does your product management team come together to discuss product management? Usually the answer is never. Instructor-led training should be interactive. We want to be the guide on the side, not the sage on the stage. Extended team discussions on key topics enables better learning. Breakout sessions provide immediate application of concepts to your products, markets, and business. And shared experience with your entire team enhances the learning outcome. And here's a bonus. Our on-demand lessons and recorded sessions can be accessed for a year, enabling your team to refresh their learning at any time. To achieve product success on purpose, systematically, you need strategic alignment to get everyone on the same page for product success, a product playbook for systematic product planning and execution, clear roles and responsibilities so everyone knows what they're supposed to do. An excellent strategy without execution will result in failure. And perfect execution of a bad strategy will still result in failure. So let's start with strategy. Strategic alignment is the key to get everyone on the same page for product success. In his book, The Advantage, Patrick Lencioni wrote, "Few groups of leaders actually work like a team. Most of a team's objectives should be collective ones." Strategic alignment is the key to getting results from a team. Yet it seems as if each department has its own strategy and goals and methods. You can achieve tremendous power when working together in alignment. Actually, strategy is pretty simple. Understand the needs and problems of a specific market segment, then solve those problems by leveraging your unique capabilities in ways competitors will not or cannot. knowing who to serve, how to win, and when to walk away. Alignment begins with corporate strategy. Corporate strategy drives portfolio strategy, which in turn informs product strategy, which then does the same for go-to-market strategy. When done well, each stage should define the focus for the next in a cascade. Strategy is another way of saying focus. Steve Jobs said, "People think focus means saying yes to the thing you've got to focus on, but that's not what it means at all. It means saying no to the 100 other good ideas that there are. It's the vital few over the compelling many." And what has your organization ever said no to? As I said earlier, an excellent strategy without execution will result in failure. How you execute your strategy consistently is with a product playbook. Key standardized documents and methods to align all product teams for every step from idea to market. We use the Quartz Open Framework as a model for product management. Notice it's not linear, it's recursive, and it has learning in every step. Created by industry thought leaders, it's an open source model designed to help you create a process that's as unique as your organization. Product professional certification from the Quartz Open Framework Initiative is included in all of our training programs. The core ideas for the phases of the Quartz Open Framework: discover problems, commit the resources to solve them, describe the problems to your creation teams, design and develop winning solutions, prepare the customer-facing teams, and connect with the market and gather feedback on what's working and what's not, which reveals new problems to solve and friction to address, and it all begins again. Your playbook needs key artifacts at each step of the process, from discovering ideas to connecting with the market. And here are some of the tools you'll want in your playbook. The phases of the Quartz Open Framework focus on these 3 product-related goals. Have we planned the right products? Can we build what we've planned? Can we sell what we've built? Edwards Deming, the expert on quality, wrote, "A bad system will beat a good person every time." That's why it's so important to be systematic and have clear roles and responsibilities. So the third aspect of product success on purpose is to gain clarity on roles and responsibilities. When you get into the details, when you get beyond the high level, you'll find many, many activities and artifacts that are necessary for success. It's not just 7 things or 37 things. It can be dozens. Sales tools, prioritization methods, launch plans, battle cards, and more. Do you know who is responsible for each of these? Who is your go-to? Some teams try to define ownership, but ownership is a tricky term. What does ownership mean exactly? Is it the same as responsible, or is it accountable, or something else? Consider defining your roles using RACI, a popular approach that includes 4 areas. Responsible, those who do the work to complete the task. Approves, those who must sign off, that is, approve work, before moving the task forward. Consulted, those whose opinions must be sought. Informed, those who must be updated on progress. And a key word here is must. Who must approve? Who must be consulted? Who must be informed? Everyone has a role to play, a position on the field. And you don't want the goalie to be your top scoring player. Just as you don't want your sales team worrying about the next release or deciding which industry event to attend. Product management finds problems in the market and identifies friction for buyers and users of your product. Development and marketing teams design solutions to those problems. And when you do that correctly, sales teams can sell what you've built to people who are ready to buy. So, do you have the right team with the right skills to achieve your goals and outcomes? Product management isn't one thing. It's 3. Product management includes product strategy, planning, and growth. It ensures every aspect of the product is being managed. And with the right product management roles in place, you can sell more of what you've already built, you can build what you've planned more consistently, you'll have confidence that you're planning the right products, but to do that, you'll need the right team with the right skills, and that's where product growth leaders can help. We're product growth leaders helping teams transform to achieve product success on purpose.